The main difference between the MycoSEQ and the MycoSEQ Plus assay is the fluorescent dye chemistry that we use. So our original kit, the MycoSEQ, uses a SYBR chemistry, which is an intercalating dye, whereas the newer MycoSEQ Plus is using a TaqMan chemistry. So this is when we have specific probes as well as the primers that target our gene of interest, so we're looking for the Mycoplasma species. Between the two, we have some benefits. So the TaqMan assay now has a broader range of species that we detect. We detect over 200 now with that, with kind of the redesign. And why would you use one over the other? Really, it's down to your sample type. So the SYBR is an excellent assay. It's really sensitive. It's been around in the market a long time. It has a lot of customers that have used that in regulatory approvals for their drug filings. But we do see that as sample types are getting higher and higher in cell density, we get a little bit of backgrounds coming from those samples, and the Plus kit is really designed to overcome that. It's very suitable for customers in the cell therapy range, or they have high cell numbers as well. So really, moving forward, if you're new to this product, you would probably take the MycoSEQ Plus first.